Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Gas prices will see mixed movements tomorrow. A litre of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for 6 cents more. Diesel and ultra-low sulfur diesel will, however, decline, extending the trends from last week. Both categories will decrease by $3.06. Kerosene will sell for 25 cents more. Propane will decline by 45 cents, while butane will go for 36 cents more. Electrical lighting and PVC company Fosrich is set to raise up to $139 million through a rights issue. The offer, which gives existing shareholders the chance to acquire new shares, will open on July 11. 55.73 million new ordinary shares are on offer. Investors who bought into Fosrich as at June 2 this year will be able to buy one new share for every 90 shares owned. New shares are selling at $2.50 per unit. The offer is expected to run until August 18. Fosrich plans to use the funds to complete Phase 2 of its 30,000 square foot fulfillment center on Malines Road. The local manufacturing industry grew by 3.6% for the period January to March compared to the same period last year. Statin says a 7.1% increase in the food, beverages, and tobacco sub-industry supported the growth. However, others experienced a 1.5% decline. This was due to lower production of fuel and non-metallic products linked to less production of cement and heavy fuel oil. Carib Cement and Petrojam both had some factory downtime due to maintenance. Banks and cambios are selling the US dollar for an average $155.48. $117.73 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. The average cost for the pound is $198.09 and is costing $169.25 for the euro. And to the stock market now, the JSE index lost 489 points today, while the junior market index declined by almost 4 points. Among the 52 winners, Siboney Group, Epley 5% preference shares, JMMB Group 7% VRCR preference shares, Cygnus Real Estate Financial, and G West Corporation. The 43 losers include CAC 2000, ISP Finance Services, Margaritaville Turks, Medical Disposables and Supplies, and Lasco Financial Services. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.